It begins with over 2 acres of pure privacy, a place where the noise fades and life finally feels simple again. This is a 2021 build, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over $140K in upgrades, a finished walkout with a second kitchen, and a 2-car garage. At the heart, a gorgeous custom kitchen will impress. All the features you love: quartz countertops, gas range and pot filler, upgrades behind drawers and doors, and of course, there's a walk-in pantry. The great room brings soaring ceilings, a statement fireplace, and a walkout to the deck. Look around, not a neighbor in sight. The primary offers a spa-level ensuite with the luxury of in-floor heating. On the opposite side, 2 more bedrooms and a full bath bring space for family and friends. Downstairs, the fully finished walkout feels like a home within a home. A second kitchen, a spacious living area, and there's even an exterior entrance that's level in from the parking. This is a space that adapts with you. Outside, nature does the rest. Coffee on the covered porch, lunch in the sun, trails that invite you to wander, space for children and pets to live free. Peace of mind matters too. Here you have an automatic generator, Peryle warranty, and high-speed internet. And while it feels like worlds away, here you're just 15 minutes to downtown Huntsville. Design, privacy, and comfort. All of it together right here.